Good morning, everybody. It is 9 o'clock on the dot. I've been up since I think like 7 o'clock in the morning. I actually sat down and started working on my wreath, and I did not guess that I am low on pieces or things, so I have to go to the Dollar Tree sometime. If we're out and about, I'm gonna see if Grandma will let me just run in and run out. But the location that I want to go to, they have a bigger grocery section. So I want to check and see what they got for groceries. So especially like the frozen stuff, I want to check what they got. So I have to run and get there. So I'm trying to figure out if I need to get more supplies for some DIYs, and I'm trying to think of anything else. I got to make a list of what I want to get. So we're looking forward to that. Charlotte is eating some breakfast. She's having bananas. She loves bananas. Ben's just chilling, but yeah, I've already watched like a movie this morning. It's kind of sad. I have like 10 minutes left, but I ended up shutting it off, and I'll watch it later on. But I'm hoping to have a progressive day, I guess, whatever. My place is finally, you know, being clean, and that's what I really enjoy. I'm finally getting caught up, you guys. Like, you have no idea. Like, that's one reason why I was depressed, because I just so much of a mess, so much clutter, and like I've been doing so well, you know, not just the whole coronavirus, but I've been doing so well on not buying stuff. You know, I've cut back on this, I've cut back on that. I've actually done a lot of stuff, and everything that I do buy, you know, I've been putting it in its spot. Before I would just let it sit and pile up, and now as I, you know, when I do my videos, my hauls, I'm actually putting them away as we go. So I'm pretty excited that I'm finally, you know, getting ahead and pretty easy. So I actually want to start, I don't know if I'm going to do it today. I'll probably do it on Monday. But Graham's birthday's on Wednesday, and I kind of want to like decorate the house up, you know, just for his birthday, just because, you know, something to look forward to. And then 10 days after that is Charlotte's birthday. So I don't know, I just want to decorate. I want to decorate the house a little bit, because I think he'll really enjoy it. So other than that, I think Graham's upstairs. I think he's in the shower, but I'm gonna have some breakfast. I'm debating on if I want oatmeal. I'll probably just have oatmeal, because I got so much oatmeal that I've gotten free that I need to use up. So I want to do that. And then my grocery store is actually having a couple deals on like fruits, especially like blueberries, and Charlotte loves blueberries. So I was thinking of maybe just stopping in there on our way out and about, just get everything done and over with while we're out and done and over with. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah. So Charlotte's being silly. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I will see you guys when I'm more productive. So, you guys, we actually went to go out on a family outing. It is 2:50. I forgot to bring my camera, but Graham wanted Chinese food, so we had to get him Chinese food. Ben wanted Wendy's, so we got Ben Wendy's. I wanted Potbelly's, because, you know, we were out and about, and we're like, let's just go. Goodwill was closed, but they did have boxes outside the building saying you can put your stuff there. So I'm like, hey Graham, I got this stuff in here, let's just put it in there. Usually I drop it off at a different place, but I'm like, you know what, I just want to get rid of it, have some space in our back of the van. And then I'm like, hey, you know, since we're out and about, we were originally going to go to a different location, and I'm like, well, can I go to this Dollar Tree, because I needed to get more stuff for my wreaths because I didn't have enough product. So he's like, yeah, go for it. So he let me go inside, and he took the kids like down by the water to go look at that. So I was not rushed at all, and I actually got done shopping before he came back, which was a miracle. But I did find some stuff that I was so excited to find that's just been on my wish list like crazy. So I was pretty excited for that. I'll do another Dollar Tree haul. I'll probably post that later on. But other than that, I also dyed my hair today. Just because my hair has just been like crap, and I'm like, I want to do something different. So I dyed it like this reddish brown color. It's red right now, but after I wash it a couple times, it'll turn brown. But I like it because I'm so pale. It looks good with my red hair. So if you guys want to see the kind of guy, I know I got Clairol, I think it's like Natural Instincts, but I'll show you guys what it looks like when I do my empties video. But other than that, I have to run to the grocery store real quick. Graham's like, oh, take the kids with you. And I'm like, no, the kids aren't coming because...
I was joking.
I know you were joking. But I want to get some Code Red really badly, and the grocery store has that. And then they have some deals on chicken and blueberries and corn on the cob. So I was like, okay, let's get some of that stuff so we can cook it for dinner. I'm also gonna get stuff, hopefully they have it, for making breadsticks, and then I want to make onion bagels, and then I want to make chicken noodle soup. So we got that going on, but other than that, Miss Charlotte's just hanging out in her kitchen. What you doing, little princess? What are you doing? You trying to fit in your refrigerator?
Mommy, can you take the car?
I'll take the van because the van's out. So
I don't like the car.
we're watching Color City again because I actually like that movie. It's free to watch on Vudu right now. So I'm gonna run to the grocery store. It depends on what I get. I might do a haul for you guys with that too. But otherwise, we're just having a nice day. Again, Graham and I were gonna do stuff, but we just don't feel like doing it. You know, we're just gonna hang out as a family. That's one thing we do, you know, when he's not working. Hi. Yeah, you're so cute. Look at you. Say ah. 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 Hassa. Yeah. You guys, so I just filmed my grocery store video. I just filmed my Dollar Tree video. I'm downstairs because I got peace and quiet. I gotta start working on another wreath, but I just tried this gum. Like, you guys, I don't know why I'm still chewing this gum, but I got some gum at the Dollar Tree. I was like, oh, sweet, and then I'm like, so, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna bring some groceries upstairs because I got some groceries at the Dollar Tree. Pretty excited for that. Graham says he wants to watch a movie in the basement tonight, so I'm like, you can go ahead and do that. So we're gonna try to figure out what movie we can watch together. I gotta cut some stuff out, but you know, we're still enjoying the day. It's just a nice, relaxing day. So I'll check up on you guys in a bit. Good morning, everybody. So I didn't finish the vlog yesterday, and I thought just yesterday was kind of a boring day for recording. I mostly just didn't want to have the camera everywhere I was.
And you know what? They changed my thing. Now it's a wall. Now the astronaut, and then I changed the color in next. And after I push games, I delete some games.
He's talking about his like little emoji on his iPad and Netflix. He keeps changing the emoticon. But yeah, yesterday I just was.
And after I tried to put game button, I saw new games and I buy them. And then, no, I have like the square one and the circle one and the shadow.
Yeah, so yesterday I just didn't want to bring the camera with me. I just kind of wanted to just relax. But we had a good day. Today it's supposed to be an awesome day. It's supposed to be a little chilly in the morning, so I don't know what we're going to do in the morning. But today we're probably going to go for a family walk and just hang out. I got to work on my Walgreens video in a little bit, so that's what I'm going to work on. And then, I don't know, we're just going to have a nice family.
Oh, you gonna fly after the video's done with?
Fly? No, but otherwise, we're just going to have a nice family day. That's all we're going to do. I think I'm going to make chicken noodle soup later tonight. I don't know why, but I could not sleep last night, especially like this morning. I kept trying to figure out how to make egg noodles. Like Jennifer, go to sleep, not sit there worry about egg noodles. So yeah, I look like crap. But so I'm gonna try to make egg noodles. I'm gonna see what the recipe is and see how easy it is, and then might make them. I have some frozen ones and I have some regular ones, and we're going to I think I'm gonna mix them into the soup and see what tastes better, homemade or the frozen ones. And I'll make the homemade ones just a little bit bigger so I can tell the difference. So that is what I'm going to do. But yeah, I'm excited to make chicken noodle soup. I've been really craving homemade chicken noodle soup since I got some at the bakery. And then I also got stuff to make macaroni and cheese. Yes. So I'll probably make that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just really into making a lot of homemade foods, and right now is a great time to get it, so I've been just getting some ideas. So other than that, I'm gonna go make some videos. You guys, we're at my favorite place. We're at Culver's. We're getting lunch. You guys can't really see. It is so busy here at certain times that they have to have a obstacle course of Benjamin, stop. They have to have an obstacle course of just people driving over. Now they have 2 drive-thrus just because it's so crazy busy. Now they're bringing us our food, so I gotta roll down. Okay, you guys, so Grant's like, nobody cares that I turned my camera on. I'm like, you're such a butt, Graham. Aren't you? He's being serious now.
So guess where we're going? We're going to the Dollar Tree Driver said, can we please go to the Dollar Tree? I said yes, and she said, you're driving.
We're going for a ride. We're just on the interstate, just driving around. So we are currently driving past one of the prisons in Portage, Wisconsin. We like looking at this kind of stuff, that's why we're just out and about driving around. But they recently had 2 inmates that escaped from here, and they ended up finding them about 3 or 4 hours away past our house. So Graham loves this kind of stuff, so we just wanted to definitely just check out a prison yard. It's kind of cool, all the stuff that they have. So hey guys, so it is what, 1:58. We ended up deciding to go on a road trip. We went to a place about like a half an hour, and I'm like, hey, can we just go drive around? I says I kind of want to go see the Dollar Tree over there, and it's an area, it's a small town, but I like to go to the Dollar Trees that have the crafting section because because they have like the cutest little things there, and not every Dollar Tree has the craft stuff. They're slowly getting them. So Graham's like, yeah, let's just go, something to do. So he's like, well, can I run inside? I said, yeah, go ahead, run inside. So he went inside. He got a bunch of stuff, like he got a bunch of food and snacks and everything, and I'm like, okay, I'll run in after you. And I went down like all the aisles. Now that store was huge, like it had a lot of stuff. So excited, but I'm like, I don't need this stuff, I don't need this stuff. But definitely when this thing is like lifted, I'll get more things. But I found some really cool stuff that I should probably do another haul and then post that later on too. But I'm like, Graham, if you think about it, we had to take the interstate to this place. It was pretty much exactly like a half an hour from here. Now I live near Madison. Now I live near the east side of Madison, and for us to drive to the west side of Madison, it's 30 minutes also. And I'm like, let's just go there, it's pretty much the same distance, and we just take the interstate. He's like, yeah. So we did that. We're like, we just kind of drove around, and there's like kids in there. I think they were stealing because they were like, oh, did you pay for that? And then they were playing like, Marco Polo. I'm like, you guys, like, seriously? But I had my mask on and everything. Then we sanitized our hands when we got inside, and then we just went to a drive. We just went for driving. We drove past one of the prisons, it's in Portage, and I've seen it before, but we never like went near it. And Graham's like, oh, let's drive by it. And we drove by it, and like a couple weeks ago, I want to say like 2 weeks ago, there was 2 prisoners that actually escaped from there. And it was just kind of crazy. We're like, how the heck did they escape? It was like there's like hardcore security all around the place. But we checked it out, and then we just went driving. I think we drove for like an hour, maybe an hour and a half, I don't know, just driving the country road. So we had a lot of fun like doing that. So now I don't know why, but I'm like tired, probably because I haven't been sleeping very well lately, and my feet hurt because I think my feet have been hurting because I'm not wearing shoes to support my arch on my feet. And so my feet been hurting just because I'm not supporting my feet with shoes. I've been, not wearing shoes at home constantly. But we had a good time. Now Ben and Graham are outside. Charlotte just woke up from her nap, and I'm going to finish working on my one wreath that I started. And then when those guys get in here, we're going to clean up. Now, the other day I said, hey, let's see how much everybody can clean up in like 15 minutes and stuff. So when those guys get in here, I'll let them rest for a little bit, and then we're going to spend 15 minutes cleaning. I mean, the place is still clean. It's just little bit of things here, little things there. The culprit mostly is this little girl we call Charlotte. Yeah. So that is that. But otherwise, it's a really nice day outside. We might even go for a walk, but I think I should take a nap or something while I can. But yeah, let's go enjoy the day more. Hey guys, so it's like 8:17 at night. I've had a very stressful day today since I vlogged last. So I made homemade macaroni and cheese. I'm learning to make new stuff. Graham critiques me every single second that I make it, but then he actually enjoys it. It's like, just shut your mouth and let me cook it. Well, Ben is a very extreme eater. He eats like bread. And I'm like, have a noodle. And he's like, no. He's like so upset he's throwing up because he doesn't want to try a noodle for macaroni and cheese. And, you know, I'm just stressed out. Like, I can't get this kid to eat anything because he just gets himself so upset he throws up. And I've had it with him being such a picky eater. I've had it how it's just me doing this stuff. So, tomorrow, I have to clean again because, you know, I feel like I'm the one who only picks up, you know. Ben throws up, Graham just puts it all in the sink for me to clean up. And I've just had it. I know you guys are like, you should, you know, I should step my foot. Yeah, it's a lost cause. If you guys personally knew Graham, it's a lost cause. And I'm just sick of picking up the same stupid crap every single day. Do not open that. Every day, same stuff. It's like I can't even get anything else done because I'm sitting there picking up the same stuff over and over again. And, you know, Ben's been picking up. I've been making him pick up stuff here and there, but it's just like, come on. Graham, you can help me pick up stuff, but he just doesn't, so I don't know what tomorrow brings me. I really have to go to a regular grocery store because I've been trying to find yeast and I've been trying to find bread flour. My local grocery store is completely sold out. I want to go to a bigger grocery store that has it because I want to try some new recipes for Ben. And, you know, Graham's like, no, you can go tomorrow. Oh, you can go tomorrow. Well, you can go tomorrow. It's like, I'm sick of this. I've been trying to go for the last like 5, 6, 7 days. So I'm gonna probably just leave by myself because I just need a break from the kids. I need a break from everybody. I just wish I could have a whole day to myself. That's all I want, a whole day to myself. So I'd have Ben. Charlotte doesn't bother me, but I want Ben to stay away. I want Ben to go to his grandparents' house for like a week. I seriously want him to go away. So I'm gonna go get Miss Grumpy Pants ready for bed. Miss Grumpy Pants ready for bed. So you guys have a nice day. I'm hoping I can be happy-go-lucky tomorrow, but I've just had it.